Today, we're going to take a look at the best adult boo costume Monsters Inc. available in the market. The Beauty Shine Unisex Adult Onesie One-Piece Pajamas Cosplay Cartoon Costume is perfect for Halloween, Christmas, or even just lounging at home. Let's dive into the details of this cozy and fun costume. Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. If you're looking for a comfortable and cute costume for your next event or just for a cozy night in, then the Beauty Shine Unisex Adult Onesie is the perfect choice for you. This costume is made of high-quality fabric, designed with attention to detail, and has received great reviews from customers. Let's explore why this costume is a must-have for any fan of Monsters Inc. Made of 100% polyester fabric, this onesie is soft, warm, and durable. The costume features cute character designs for a fun and fashionable look. Button closure and elastic cuffs provide a comfortable fit and easy wear. Convenient side pockets allow you to carry small essentials. In conclusion, the Beauty Shine Unisex Adult Onesie One-Piece Pajamas Cosplay Cartoon Costume is a top choice for anyone looking for a cute and comfortable outfit. Whether you're dressing up for a party or just want to relax at home in style, this costume has you covered. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this fantastic costume. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and be sure to check out this fantastic costume on Amazon today.